See? It's a sitting here pull out, so I never know. When it pop out, it pull out like this. As I sit here and I done bread, I'm going to go back out again by 7 o'clock. I'm out of here. I see the eye specialist by 7 o'clock in the morning. From morning, I'm resting all morning, I'm not here. Got the private doctor, and the private doctor couldn't help me. They have to send me to hospital. I did the hospital the whole entire time. If I left the hospital, no, can't touch it, can't this, can't put this on it. Still have to go back to see the specialist by 7 o'clock in the morning. Taxi going to pick me up here. So I could go back up there to see the specialist. Then after I finish with the specialist, I'll be getting my antibiotic, get the thing to go inside my eye for the sty on my eye that I have for the longest. They're going to give me something for the sty on my eye. Plus, they can't do any surgery if it don't go down because regularly they could cut it if the sty don't go down, but they can't because of the thing on my eye. So what they're going to give me the ointment for the sty and for the ointment for outside the eye and also antibiotics. But I have to be there by 7 o'clock again. So I left the hospital. And I won't be going back to the emergency. I'll be going to the E building to see the specialist. Some of us are coming from Marminaniam. I got a doctor place. And trust me, most pissed off today. I come back and tell them. I got a doctor place today and him look on it and him say, it's messed up with the stick. The stick dig off my skin, but him can't do nothing to it. You know? The best thing he can tell me is if I go to the hospital. So I look him in the eye and I was like, Doc, I just paid my money. I paid the money because I thought he was able to help me. I don't have money like that. I'm not rich. So I just spend that money there for you to look at my eye. And you're telling me that you can't do nothing for me. And I tell you before, but spend the money. See if you're going to do something for me, for you spend the money. I know you can't do nothing for me, so it's like you're wasting my money. I'm poor. I don't have money like that, Doc. I don't have it. And so, well, I can give you the money back. I said, Doc, I would really appreciate that. So I give you the money back. And then I come home and I say, I go try to sleep it off until this morning. I go to the doctor, but I couldn't sleep it off. I come home and I was so miserable. My eye itch me and I carry on and sitting. And I just say, you know what, I'm going to the hospital. But man, it's a long wait. I wait until I'm weary out there. I say, I wait until I'm weary. Hours and top of hours and hours. And guess what? Right now, I have to go to bed. And then by 7 o'clock, the car going to pick me up here to go back in the building because I have to be there to see the doctor by 8 o'clock. So, I love now, so I couldn't know what going on. So, here. Good, I couldn't walk with no food. I have food, I buy sushi, I'm sitting and pack up in here. I'm sitting and hold up a food till if I go eat. And the boy kind of like me full one. That what he want to buy me ice cream. I said, I don't want an ice cream. So I'll buy some sushi and some hold up sit and pack up. And I couldn't eat nothing because when it comes to me get stressed, I don't want to eat nothing. I don't want to sit down and eat because I want my eye fix. I don't want to see food. I don't want to eat nothing about no food until my eye fix. Because when my eye fix, I sit down and then I eat all the food them. And I lose a lot of weight. I didn't know I was that much weight because usually I was like 200. My usual weight was like 280, 270. And then thing there, So when I tell us I went vegan, I lose weight and I put on back some weight. And really, because today I'm only 185 now. So I just come back in from the hospital now. And I just come. Yes, so I'm going to I really put on myself together and I go out, but you know, so I go to the hospital and put on something good and say, you know what? Maybe I put on something decent because I wear all kind of old shit, I wear over and over and repeat them. Because guess what? I have a whole bunch of new sitting and I had to take them out and just put them on. So, come here country, you know what I mean? And put on my makeup and sitting, that's the time I want to put them on. But when I go with put on makeup, put on my sitting, put on and go along at the hospital, I'm just a come back. You know? So I got good. So I weigh 185 pounds now. I said, damn, when I first come to America, I was 135. Me at 185 now. Said me just lose 50 more pounds. But that's going to be too skinny. You know what I mean? I don't want to be that skinny. You have to firm it up though. Exercise and firm it up. But the most thing is, I'm glad to get to see the doctor. Even though I'm not getting the medicine yet, I'm still glad to me went. The first one. I'm glad to me went the second one. I'm glad to me do the weight. And the doctor, man, I love the doctor. Mwah, doc, mwah. Doc said, oh, it's you the last time with the rat bite. You remember when you came? And the lady Goody was like, she's funny, doc. You know, she's popular. He said, I remember you. I said, yeah, doc. He said, I'm going to give you the shot. The tetanus shots. You don't need no tetanus shot because I gave you one. And it lasts for 10 years. And you did a HIV test. You did all the stuff. All right? So what we're going to do, let's go and we're going to put it to the specialist and let them deal with you. Otherwise, you're going to be okay. You know? So, yeah. Yeah, I love that one. That make me feel good, you know. Yeah. And then I talk and, you know, yeah, and, you know, I feel nice. Yeah. Yeah, rub my shoulder and rest him on the legs and talk and, you know. Yeah, nice. I love him too because he was really nice. Nice doctor. And all of them nice. But he was a really nice doctor. Make you feel comfortable and nice. And I remember, you remember him patient them too. I don't know he's a good doctor. And every doctor I go remember him patient for so long. I remember you're so good and treat you so nice. And all of them. Because one time, this one of them and they make me run. Like you know go kill me. Gone for drip on like he gone for needle and sit and me run and escape and gone. So through that, yeah. But good day, me there itchy, it's a till me the hospital come like a magic in my eye. Maggot. You feel like natural maggot. And near me all in place. I feel like maggot and near me. I saw it feel like maggot and near me, like sit and near me. I said, no, me I go. For this I get infected and rat out my eye. So thank you guys, most of all to you guys. Because I'm so country, mother song, I try medicine with old remedy. Because my country, I like bush. But when I said, no, that's your eyes, you make us laugh, you make us happy. We don't want to see nothing go with your eye, I leave it. Can I go, can happy, can see we and talk with we, and make we laugh. So please go. And thanks for the goodie who come this evening. The couple goodies that come this evening and pick up them $100 bacala cream. Some could able to have money to answer. So thank you here. Yeah, there's somebody said call and order and then call Jay and said they couldn't make it or then cancel. I don't know what the problem, but yeah. So the doctor said never again put wax on my eye because I might get away a couple of times, but this time I wasn't lucky. If I was continuing to do the threading like I used to do, I used to go and get the threading and I do the threading right on the block where I put the thread and wheel the thread on. I used to do that a lot, the threading. Since if you're going to take a chance with nothing, do the thread. But don't ever put wax on your face again, the doctor said. Ever. You understand? Don't you ever. You know? Since I don't touch it. Now you can wash it, but if you're going to wash it, you're going to have to wash it with Dove soap. Dove, you can't use nothing strong. You can't put no makeup on or nothing on him. Say nothing until your eye heal. Because, you know, nature, you don't know what Mother Nature might do. And it might take a different turn. That's why I'm going to make sure I send you to the specialist in the morning. And by the time you finish with the specialist, your medication would be ready for you free at the clinic. So you just go down and collect your medication. So they, you know, antibiotic and stuff so you don't get infected. Because you say, under the eye is good. You check on the eye and say it's good. So you just up this stuff. So on. You know, so when the bill is going to be a big bill, because like the nurse lady said, when the bill come, you're going to have to sue these people. Because going to them and telling about them, I'm not going to make a doctor fee, coming to take money from the doctor, and it's a big fee. Because you can't pay people's skin like that. It's bad. What you did, that woman was vexed when she had paid me too. I don't lie to her, and she had tried to sit and cross my face with anger. And I speak in their language, and all of them fucking laugh. You understand me? And I just fucking get up. So, they must know. They must know, my dear, because if they're not going to do nothing, they can't keep the shop out the open again. I'm sorry. Because when we expose that shop, if they're not, what them have to do? They have to go lock because nobody not going to go get them sitting down. No, man, you can't be a wickedness to the people, man. You know? Make me ugly and what means already and make me look away. You know what I mean? No way, late, you know, good. I tell you something, I'm not in a dog. Yo. I'm kind of vexed to, you know, good. You see me, Mr. Girl don't like take nothing from nobody, you know. Mr. Girl do not take nothing from nobody. You know, so one certain somebody called me. And I said to me, say, what's up, man, how you doing? And I said, what's up, sugar daddy, what go on and so? And I said, what's up, girl? I just call you, say hi, and see you on Facebook. You know, still a trying on. I say, well, me up on Facebook from what you. He might say, well, listen. How you doing? I say, me fine and I'm good and I'm alright. You know? He might say, boy, it's nice to hear your voice and so on, so you're doing and so on, good and so on. A day a man doing like taking like a smoke and thing, man, you know, and thing, bridging the man chilling and thing. Baby, you gotta get somebody this is so nice and thing, man, and thing. I get you someone and drop it off you, man, because guess what, you know, it's a good girl. And so I say, I beg nobody, nothing, nobody drop off, nothing. No, I mean nothing. Next thing you know, the man give me like a sitting, the man fucking start cuss. Talk about saying drive, we can drop off sitting and all him get is a hug. I mean, we expect to get me, never beg nobody nothing, I have my own money to buy me things, I beg nobody nothing. I'm not a crackhead, I beg nobody nothing. Nobody can come and think when I look a fucking foolishness and come think they can't go do the same thing they used to do after I done move on in my life. I mean, I live a nasty life and think they want to get in my crutches. Me not in it with none of them nastiness. Take your fucking cheap $40 away if you want, they can go with that blood clot. I give back, I tell you already, say me give the money for it. Yeah, but you don't want the money, you want soap. So I carry soap and give you. So you get back soap for your money. I $30 for one of them jar soap there. I'm not in a problem. So nobody come put me in a problem. I'm stressed with me, yeah, and everything. But just trying to be nice to people and they still want to take advantage of me. Come on. Don't be like that, man. You give somebody something, you give somebody something. Don't give them something and look forward to something from them. You and the woman left for fucking long and you live a house with your wife. And you have a fucking, I tell the woman like you want to get faced with the woman. I complain to the woman, listen, and this and that, and this and that. And I just hang up my fucking phone. I don't feel listen to that. I don't feel listen to that, you know. I don't have to listen to that because I take up my own cash and go to the doctor till they get it back. I don't know if that alone may have. That means I never broke. Alright? Because some people might think so she have clothes and shoes and this and that and she can't go to the doctor, she broke. Not me, I always have something for emergency. You see? Always. So don't play them thing with me. I love you, Goody. I love you guys. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Nobody give you something more time, man. I give you something just to take something to tell you. You know, I take nothing from nobody, I force you. And I give you something, especially for something where hard forget in this area, where you put your hand pan, you know, and that's something good. You want to take that shit and then take it now. If you go on like say, you and him take back together and them, all right, what's up, baby? You doing? I go on like say, you and him are crying and them sitting if you go tell lie upon you. Come on. Enough is enough. I'm so bad lucky, guess what happened? Let me show you what bad luck. You know, that bitch was weird something because she was a witch living here, you know. Look what happened today. My iPad drop and broke today after I come from the doctor office. Drop and broke my iPad. Just like that, $800 gone on the drain. Just like that. It's still at work one way, but it not work all the way. I'm still kind of my music and sitting and planning for buy the next one. So, that's how I go. See there? See there? Never broke from when me have it. But I just like, the head no right and me stress and me take up the iPad because me sitting and thinking of this. The picture of it. Because you know them thieves to sit night. I'm social and sitting there. Broke. Drop and broke. Right now, doctor office is drop out in my bag and broke too. Now, say sit bag drop a ground and it just broke. I take it out and reach home, I say it broke. I couldn't do nothing, put like a glue on it. To stop it from fall out so I can have to use on my music them same way until I can buy a next one. And that's the life go here, man, goody. When everything go wrong, it just go wrong. You see me? But one thing I can tell you, I say me, anything I tell you, that's how I go. I'm not going to lie to you. You understand? I'm not come if I can't take man and come to the house if I can't take man. And them thing that because I notice some people, it's like, I don't know what's wrong in this world today. You can't please nobody. That one lady, she used to call all the time and talk to her, whatever, and she did write on WhatsApp, and I call woman how much time. I see her, I call the comment on YouTube today. Most time I call woman answer. And the woman used to call me and chat every fucking day. You understand me? And people used to say, the woman is a fucking hypocrite. She's not fucking good at it. She's not a good person. Trust me. That woman there, and I said, no, man, I said that I'm a friend. I'm a real goodie. But then it looks strange. You pop up from nowhere, about a year friend, I call a year friend no more, and you just pop on YouTube and make a comment. And I call you, do not answer. I either write from my WhatsApp. Lock yourself in with the team, them. With the mix up people, man, shit. You're right there. We don't look at the right there, so, with a group. And you can't fucking answer. Call my blood clot or somebody, I can't bother with them, man, and I'm good. Certain people good in me, I tell them the truth. And I'm good people, them, and I'm good smarty, them. You understand? I don't care who want to buy cream for me, I don't want to buy cream, I can't blood clot top. Because I'm not a big friend for nobody. And so I have people who call me and tell me, say, boy, good, my friend, I try chat all kind of sitting. And you have some people returning like them a try fuck with your head. Because returning call your phone, they might tell about them business like, this a go wrong with me. My man a this and my man a beat me. And me have one ex-man here so. And me have one ex-man here so. And me go over there so. And go the way you think this and that with the whole of foolishness. When I look, them a check out and they have 1 man, 2 man, 3 man, them a travel this man so. And me a come in a go there and me go come and hook up with your man. My follow me go shop and buy so when I sitting there like where you weird and him sitting there. And so me not follow back and no girl up and don't go buy nothing. You must see blood clot, mad. You know, I learn my lesson in a good. I be nice. And I go outside, sometimes I just go regular. And if people pass me on the road, like, what the like a thing happen to me, I say, blow or some blood clot girl, real. No matter what you do that, no matter what you do, then blood clot get you. If I decide to go somewhere and take a little thing, and buy a little thing, you see me? And a girl did the answer here, them will come on Facebook and run them blood clot mouth, you see me? Where she buy, where she do, where she smoke. I mean, I no crack. I mean, you know what I mean? I run them mouth. You know what I mean? And you can't know when a blood clot girl run them mouth. Because if you buy one like a spliff, go there, nobody knows you buy this spliff from them. And my company attack. I must a person when know where you buy. Nobody else knows so you smoke and know where you have, where you buy. I run up them stinking blood clot mouth. But let me tell you something. You see, when a girl carry feelings over hood for me, bitch, don't carry no feelings for me. Because if me grind a man already, and me grind him, and I'm one time he grind me, and he come back and he grind me, and he grind me again. Right? And me still live alone, he come to my yard, come grind me and leave me yard. And you there on him now, where you smoke your little 1 and 2 weed, a cock up a go on like you're Miss Princess, and you're this and I come go on like you want to come style people run off a blood clot mouth. Your pussy can't tie it on mine, because right now him still a beg me. Imagine he was younger, and me and him not there no more. And him still a beg me now. So if him have you now, and him a beg me now, mine must be better half than you. Why want to come in mine? Because if him a beg me now, when he have it when me younger, and him a kill himself over in house, and we forget it, and he have you. All when they pan spot him a try big. So if okay, come to the bitch, come sit down. For usher them big pussy a bitch out, man. Usher them big pussy bitch out. I'm telling you, because some of them, they like to run up your mouth and chat too much. Take people business and carry it road con lavish. Especially when you not beg nobody nothing, your money, you have blood clot spending, you not beg nobody nothing. They might lavish them blood clot mouth, want to make you look like something you're not, and try to tell lie upon you. If you drive one piece of old tights, one piece of flip-flop, one piece of cloth for me, like how you turn and go up on the road, a problem to them. Like then I realize that when I want to dress up to Ras. I saw me tan. If my eyebrow, my nails are done, not done, and my foot not done, me no want to dress up. And my foot then dirty. And my nails them not done and put on nice clothes. Me put on a simple tights, a simple piece of shirt and sitting, and flip-flop if me go somewhere and run, go and come back until me go and get time one place and get my things done. You understand me? I saw me stay. You know what I mean? So I don't have things. You understand me? Me want to see me to them and a piece of old tights in my way before already. And me look here. I first me put on this. Me have bag of new things there just so me stay and things me can't find to come on life. So if a girl see me anyway you want to see me out the road and say, boy, she look terrible, you see. I see in a real life and she want this. Me a real life. A real life me a living. I'm not living a dream life. I'm living a real fucking life. Well, a lot of goodies out there. Don't have a lot of clothes to change in a minute. Don't have a this and that and then wait and sit and wash it till they done. When me to get clothes, you wear it, you wash it, you put it back on, and you wear it till they done. That's what I do. I don't see nothing wrong with it. I have to be real and be me. Me not have to go dress up and try to be somebody me not. And when night time come and suck in thinking with me I suck, me not doing it. I'm going to be real. All right? So finally I will get them to work on this tie that been on my eye for a month. So one bird killed 2. And get this done and get this fixed. Once done for all. Because this, I've been broken. So I tell the doctor was like, no, you got to keep putting warm compress on it. I said, Doc, I've been doing that for months. And it was much bigger. And it go down and it come back up. And he was like, yeah, so I'm going to get the ointment in there. So you could bring it down and pop it. So, that's it. So, right now I'm going to wash my soul. Because now it's after 3. I go wash myself now because when I get up after 6, I'm not going to be it again, to be honest. So I'm going to be it now, so I think I go to bed right away now. I need to go lie down and sleep, man, but shit. I'm going to be it on all these things because by 6 something, the man is going to be exactly at my door by 7 o'clock to pick me up, so I can't late. I have to be on time. Doctor said, don't be late. Be there a little bit early to make sure you get everything done on time the way I've tended to do it. So making sure maybe there on time. And this is the instruction that me have to follow. Whether when we get the medication them and what me can use. If my eyes start to itch a lot, him say, get the Benadryl. That girl was good this morning in the nail place because she told me about the Benadryl, but I don't believe that. Doctor said, take the Benadryl if your eyes start itchy, like a lot and not bother you, but don't go outside because the Benadryl going to make you sleepy. So if you're home, you could take the Benadryl if your eye itchy and the antibiotic will help and so on. So I'm going to send you to the eye doctor. So that's to go to the e-billing. So that's where I have to go. So I have to go. So I went to the doctor today too. And he couldn't help me. Thank God I get my money back. You know, he said I got to see a specialist. And I see the doctor now. And I still have to go to see the specialist again. I love you guys, man. I watch no faces. Life, you know, things happen. At least I know AIDS me have and I'm nothing bad. And I'm not making a fix. Yeah, goodie. Life, man, I'm not one in that ball. What? And a ball, one time I laugh. I don't laugh for the woman, you know, but I mean. It sounds bad, man. I mean, I cry like a big woman, like a ball like that. But if a sickness come, they want to go in quick things to the ball, and more going before other people. Now, going before me, like, your ball. How long this long there? I love it too, goodie. Life is what it is. I get to realize life is what it is. And I notice doing my thing, what I'm doing, is a lot of struggle I got to go through. But at the end of the day, when you all hear the story, you're not going to believe it. But for now, I'll let it rest in peace. Because when is the time for you to hear the whole story, boy, this one is going to be worse. Yeah, man. So, wait till that time come. Yeah, I'm going to go doctor later, come back and rest. I want to eat the food, them good, the food, them want to eat the food, them and buy. It's something I like when you're Sarana. You know, I can't read so good. Why is it name again? Why? My mother, oh, you push me out dunce, but yeah, so me eat it with the crackers. Me call it Sarana. Sarana, I feel good. I eat Sarana and now I feel good. Something like that. I love eat that sitting there. But I like the pepper one. My favorite one is the pepper. I eat, I lose enough weight so too, you know, because I eat that to the crackers them. I eat enough mango and sitting sometimes. Pull me up. Yeah, man. Fucking shit. I know, good you laugh, yes, Miguel. Bye. This is something else. I'm going to your style messed up. Try, see? Nah, look like a Satan strike me, look there. Satan reel it out for me. How my head feel so? Take off to feel like somebody thumping on my head. Hot, man. Fuck is going on here? Somebody thumping on me that a witch is still in the next room, you know. All left in the room is empty, nothing in there. Look like you need to get no pudding in that shine nothing. You get money though, good. Never see a smoke without any fire, child. Anyway. Boss man is supposed to leave the 30th of the month. Make us jump up in van and load up. Tell the man so she want 900, she don't want 6. We agree with the judge to give her so she can go. She will take 9. He said, nope. When the time going to pass, you're not even going to get the 6. When she hear me tell him 9, so make sure you get nothing. I said, man, let me get the money. You owe me the money. So let me get mine, you know. Let me get it. Don't be giving her anything. When she get up by the next day, move out. You want the money. By the next day, move out and sign the paper them. And grab the money and load up his van and gone. Another person must be feeling the heat right now. Anyway, go. Yo, we want nobody like that. Anyway, go goodie. The person I feel it right now. If I don't know, by next week she reach a tenant coach. She soon reach, man. She got to fix them good on New York. When she move from one place, she live as a free. She not spend no money. She live in December and he still back 1 month rent and pay for January and get it back. And he never pay for February, so he live here December, January, February, March, April, May, and June he left. Free, nothing. Move to the next place and do the same thing. It will last longer, you know? Move on to the next one. A lot of people live like that. I don't know how they do it. But no motherfucker now come use my body. Let me tell you something. Take on an old prick and go rub it somewhere else. I go put in a goat, I go put in a cow belly. And leave my life alone. Stop taking set on me. Let me be the person that God want me to be. Go take on a wood and put in a cow belly. Come in and go cow meat again. Them ask him and because the money come from the cow tail. I asked him, you know. The man with him up on Instagram and so man a ride donkey. I was like, this is absurd. Why do you have this on Instagram? Black this motherfucker, I don't want to see you. I mean, this so nasty. I open body and want to see when the animal, yeah, eat meat still. No, sir. Cow then soon born in the human head. Listen to me. I gone child. I don't know when to stop, you know. I sit in a place so long. I trying to chat to everybody. I could have chat them. I said, y'all chat too much. See some goodie from Facebook like, hi, comedian. Hi, movie star. And people start to look me and say, oh, shit. Yeah, some boy look at me a minute and see my phone a minute. Y'all get so fucking mad. If it's a youth, my youth, your security, what your problem? Yo, I tell you. Yeah, man. So, 7 o'clock. So, let me go. I love you. And I'll see you. I'll talk to you around 8:30 or so. Me try come on. I go, I want to wash my face now, but all the soap me have in the house are bleaching soap, so the face can't wash. Because I use Dove or something to wash it, but he never said if you wash it now. But I have to wait until I say the doctor before me trouble it. He never said we trouble it now. Because you're supposed to wash it and then dress it. So I think I should have trouble it now, goodie. Until me see the doctor. You know what I mean? Can't put no bleaching soap on this shit. If you use regular soap, him say regular like Dove and rinse it. But that after the doctor see me. So I love you guys though. Yeah, I love you guys. You know that, man. I keep it real, man. I fucking can't give me nothing. I'm going to go like say me hold your crutches. Like somebody tell me, say, give me this, man. I'm going to your son crutches. Or give me this, I'm going to take a dirty tongue and put on my throat. Yeah, your tongue I wipe out the woman crutches all long. I wipe out the woman crutches till your tongue get lanky all long. And the way you have nasty behavior. Can me go a place go lay down with you. And forget like money come talk. But all this, you're lucky you get a fucking cent. You're shocked you take this thing for. You think money easy to get. And walla and suck out crutches and go on. You want to suck out the red out of my crutch. And when the end of the day, that you go come fucking tell me. Eh? You never know, so one day you go left and the crutch will get scarce. You can't get it, you can't see it, you can't smell it. You can't do nothing with it. Now you want to come here like a dry up 2 pieces of grain and fucking sitting look like Cersei. I ate it on my face for this and yeah man, here you go. You know? Like a something great. After that, I bring soap and I give you soap. And come back in. What expect me to do? Come and take your big old nasty tongue where they all about with. From when me left all long and when you did it a long time, when me did it, I wipe out the woman body and sit with it and come show me down my throat. Me a crackhead? It's like you never know, so me never out, son. I'm never empty yet. What's wrong with him? Never empty yet, dog. Bob Marley, me name, you know. Fuck is this? One of them know me, dog. I was like something that I can't roll up. Man, Bob Marley, me name. Fucking go and ask me some cracking and I'm hungry for this blood clot. Fucking can't like sit now, you want to say they all long, much years. I come fucking argue, the woman I call with them, I come talk, but I come so far and I come off work, you know, and all I get is like, oh, I can't believe after I drive that and bring you the thing, and I didn't have to, you know, because I'm tired coming from work. I never tell you to. I never beg nothing. I make sure you carry the soap and give you back. That soap you get there is $50 worth of soap. You understand me? Don't do it, man. Don't do them something there. I love God, and as much as my life may be, people put me through a lot of shit. And everybody want to pull on my drawers. Once they pull on my drawers once, it's like they can't get to white, say the drawers now go come off again. Just leave it the fuck alone. You know? Before I said, they want you to stop do everything what you do. They don't want to see you make money. They don't want to see you fucking on YouTube. They don't want to see you on Facebook. They don't want to see you there no way. They just want to shut you the fuck down. So you can't sit down in the house in a one corner. And then come fucking bring you down. With them big old load for come bring you down. For come fucking try get crutches and try have you as a woman like slave and them people. No time for that. Slave are banished long time. You work, you have ambition as a woman, you work yourself and try work yourself and help yourself. Don't fucking sit down and meet a man. You done left man already much years, so you go back lie down and you see a man where you done left all long whenever even deal with your right. Eh? And you go back, they go spread your crutches and lay down and eat him and take it. Like your life sad, man. You done with that, you're gone with that. Make a new mistake and the same fucking old mistake. Better make a new blood clot mistake than an old mistake. Remember me tell you that. You understand? Some of these men, they are no mind. You can have a woman where you think you're interested in, where you like. You understand me? And you grab some other woman and run all about and deal with them and do all kind of sitting and, you know, wine and dine them and all them shit there. You understand? And disrespect you, and at the end of the day, when they nyan them out, done and part them like bumbo cloth old car, then come and take set part of attitude because you don't want them. Because you don't want to agree to them nastiness. You have a lot of men them like they out here, man, like that. Trust me. A lot of them are like that. Very nasty. Yeah? I run and come like you're safe. You're not in a peace. You know? Some of them do video, they not get no fucking view long. How much ears and make one like of two like a fucking view. You say, man, you fucking can't do nothing right. Then when they see you doing something now, they get mad by you because guess what? People are watching her. I don't want her on YouTube, I don't want her on Facebook, I don't want her no way. Parking on one fucking corner. They want her cream themselves. I want her to need me. If she want $1, she have to ask me so I can come and get crutches from her. Because I need her. I need to have her like a slave and have her need me. That's some dirty thinking man stay. So when a man stay like that, you find him like that, it's a turn off. And you eat them more than how you eat them before, then just don't know it. Because you can't take up somebody and do as you like with them and put them down. And take them up and do as you like with them and put them down. You cannot do that. You have to respect people for people to respect you. You have to be honest with people for people to be honest with you. You can't be dishonest, you can't be a liar, you can't be a fucking thief. And then expect somebody gonna treat you like a fucking, Christian. Nobody's gonna treat you like a Christian. You understand? If you're dishonest and you're a fucking thief and you're not a nice person, you don't expect the person gonna treat you like a nice person. And as a person who you're not a nice person, and know what you're trying to do to them, and trying to blackmail them, and trying to do all this shit, they're not gonna like you. You understand? So, pussy, me tell you something, I don't want nothing from nobody. You understand? Next time, think twice. Because I done said to myself, so that's it, I ain't got my phone this evening. And I was, that's it. I never hear me answer my phone and you call me again. Because you done pass your place with me this evening already. And you're gone too fucking far. You hear me talk about me yai and me stress out to me yai, so you feel it's a good time now. If come now. She's vulnerable because her yai swell. Well, me vulnerable, but me yai in swell. Well, me can't see blood clot Satan. Me yai in swell, me can't see Satan, baby. You can't see them from a distance when they come destroy your life. You cannot lay down with a man. Your life never been away. You never help you like a room for rent somewhere. Rata bite you, bugger bite you, in house with man. And you see him all this time. And you have to go in a hotel where you never want to be. Especially when you're popular for shame yourself with this old man. And you have to go. You understand me? And I try to make you weird because you don't want to live in the fucking rat house. So the man have him, woman tell you, man, I love you in front of you. You're hurt. Because even though Vinci boy I never so big, me didn't care about him. Me and him was real good. Man was real good at one point, good. I mean, real good. He never be good at this, but him all right. And he make me laugh. I was comfortable. Can you see the size of my ass, how big it was? But then when he started to do the shit that he started to do, and it just get worse and it's worse, I couldn't put up with it. I couldn't put up with it because I didn't want to catch it. I couldn't put up with it. You understand what I'm saying? I couldn't put up with it. So, it was bad from worse. When I cost me the Kenny's, when anybody have gang down for me, it's a whole war over there. And I just have to left the guy. If nobody care about the guy, I nah lie. I care about him because when I go back and go collect my clothes at the time and see I have one woman in my bed spread out. And I just did since I left. That show me like you did the right thing for leave. Because if my woman must sleep out the with, woman must sleep upstairs with, and you know if you're fat, you see them, you watch him and see my grind some girl. Go in and go grind the girl and watch him come out. You can catch him red-handed more than once all with crackhead. So you know, I don't lie here tell upon the man. So even though you care about the man, you can't live so. You know? When I go back for my clothes in time, if I come and pick up the clothes, and then go back and call me, like Queens and shop the man and call me every minute when I left. And I said, boy, night time he call me and say, you know what, my? You know, so I never, they tell us I change the lock, but I never change the lock. So you can't come. So I said, no, days gone already. And they don't tell me, say, that you may change the lock, and I dash for the key. So if I dash for the key, I'm not going to look for come back there. So can I realize I'm really that gone? But I'm gone. You know, even though I care about him, if you pack it up and go. Because you can't care about somebody and make yourself dead. You can't care about somebody and be less of you for yourself. Because you like somebody, they don't like you as much as you like them. And you're going to settle for whatever they want and live under them. It's not going to work out with you. End of the day, you're going to have to get up and still left the person move on with your life. So the best thing for you to do, move on and do your thing. Plus, I'm the kind of person never like YouTube, never like Facebook. He must have complained, the pan this, I did that. I can't nobody stop my life when I have good place to give me for live. Or food for them, I got my bed hungry. They can't stop me. So I have to do what I had to do. So when I go back the time to go collect the clothes, now I do for go collect my bag of clothes. When I knock on the door, I say, oh, me have somebody here. Someone spread out on the bed. That was enough for me to say you did the right thing to move. Because look at that. If you care about you and you left, and I'm going like 2-3 days since you left, and him a call and I tell about this and that. You don't know man in a fucking house. And I try to get it back in the house. But because he never care, I already have somebody in the bed for sex with. Same people I went have before. So you did the right thing. To leave. I talked to him, I think it was 2 weeks ago I spoke with him. He must say, yeah. I say, yeah man, what's going on? Yeah, you know, one of my brethren and tell me, you know, yeah, so you say I poison you. You hurt me, you know. So you say I poison you. I said, man, one tell the buy a sandwich, but me was you poison me. Then feel good to me. Yeah, cause he does, you know, I never do something like that and thing, you know. And the attack and thing. I say, yeah man, alright then, so take care. I'm gone, you know what I mean? That's how I live. I know why did the bed like this? I don't know, Goody. I don't know, man. I decided on... You see what happened? Whitey was carrying on too bad in this house. And we decided to take our light. Once the usher wrote me take the light. The light and they cut the whole light and bring the light in here. And I also take Whitey on the bed bottom with having the Whitey that sleep on the floor and I take it out. And the bed get high up now. Yeah. Yeah, man. Around here because guess what happened? When I usher them out, you have to take them things too, you know. So when the boy they left running, so I'm taking basin, baby basin for bed berry, you know. Baby basin still out there for bed berry, you know. Out of order. You disrespect me, man. I'm telling you. Berry always gets something, and I always get something. I know Berry's mad these days. Like, ma, you don't have no time for me, mama. And I was like, Berry, look at my eye. And she was looking at it. And she feels sad, you know. I say, I know. She's like, can't make a paw up the Chinese girl. I can't Berry out there. Like, yeah, get her fucking ass. If I Jamaica, me carry the cat out there, you know, man. If I Jamaica, then me carry the cat right out there, man. Make the cat paw out, man. Not no come out there, but America. Oh no, the cops will come and then big thing that. Yeah, big thing that. And if I Jamaica, I can't Berry right out fucking Berry bite her. Scare her. Fucking get her Berry, hold Berry up like this. Like when my little sister used to fight me and call me ugly. And she was so little that she couldn't reach me. So my brother that didn't like me put her up on him neck. I make 1.5 foot there, so 1.5 foot there, so. And then make she get me, you know. And then she scared me. Ah! And in the front of my shoulder, wicked fuck at him. But the bad thing, I'm joking at man, I go to imagine my brother take up my sister and put her around his neck. You understand? And hold her food and make sure use her 2 hands and forget me like a berry. Me at that old. Yeah. When I was younger, yeah. Wickedness, because the girl can't find me, she's too small, and I better take care of them. So I put her around his neck, forget me. You understand me? So I hold on upon her now and then she have her 2 hands free and use him body. You understand me? And fuck her do me something easy. I tell you. Anyway, I love it now. Going back to bed. I got beard now. And brush my teeth and all that good stuff. My breath stink. I said, Doc, if my mouth sour, I didn't eat anything from man, Doc. I'm sorry, so sorry. The doc said, come on. We love Doc, you see. Yeah, I like when him like, you know, rub up my shoulder and so. Long time I rub my place, I feel nice. I know the spot wear off. Yeah. That's so good, eh? I love it too, man. I like that sit man. Why they give me something and come fucking disrespect me or something? You give me my name, beg you. Hey, I drive so far, coming from work and I'm tired, you know. And I come so far, you know. I'm bringing it, and you can't, you know. Yeah, I like a hug, like, you know. I like a hug after I drive so far. So we expect to take a big old fucking towel tongue here, take a wife crutches. And let me talk something else. Some people thief my word them. Come here, somebody else with it about towel tongue. Stop using my word them, man. I must leave my things alone. When I can't make up nothing for the fucking self. About towel tongue. Leave me fucking sitting alone, miss whatever your name. But glad. But towel tongue, we should tell somebody, the towel tongue you have on my word that. I mean, use the real towel tongue, bitch. Leave it alone and go find it one blog, your one shit. Someone have to thank God for Dr. Love, because without Dr. Love, we know that disappear. Dr. Love never wake up, make social media know about him again. We have to thank him somehow. Dr. Love, big up yourself, Papa. You know, me always good. You know one thing, me and Olivet always good, Dr. Love. Big up yourself. You know why Dr. Love tried to bring me to the radio station already? And hook me up in try a lot of things when I had the bug house and rat. And I said, no, sir, I go amongst Dr. Love with him a rat smell ya and bug. Because I want him catch up and then, you know? Because I said, man, that girl is a buggy when she come by and shit. Because it's good though. So that's why I never get for go and check Dr. Love. But me and Dr. Love good, me and Dr. Love no problem. You know, I always about Oliver Charlie tightening and stuff. He never say nothing bad about me, to be honest with you. And so, no, be real, be real. Dr. Love is good. I never have no problem. Soul Flow TV is good. Me and Soul Flow is good. No problem with Soul Flow and no problem with Brain Flow is Soul Flow wife. Me subscribe to them also. Rapper Crapper. And many more. Mouta Masi, many more on YouTube. And so on. Many more. So I'm not bother nobody. I just try to live peaceful. But if him big me up all the time and tell the girl him come by elevator and buy the pum time and sitting, many man have nothing. I don't care who want him have problem. Me and him don't have problem. Whoever a person have problem, that no concern me. You understand? Whoever him have a problem, because them have a problem, means me and him go have a problem. Because me and him never have a fucking problem. So a lot of people do that when they up on the website and then compare when I like a bitch, they have a problem with her. And all of us say, really? And what she do? And this one jump in. Me not like her neither. Me not this and neither. And like a fucking school pitney. Me not play them kind of something there. Me are you good? Me are you good and that's it. Me not care if yan 100 people not good. That means that me I'm going to be against you. Because that be an business. That's not my business. What with me and you is between me and you. And that's what it should be. A lot of people buy out people's shit, put it on them head, and get in that shit and get on at the end of the day. You understand? They don't care shit about you. So, that's how me say it. I love everybody. So, I don't care what nobody wants to say. But not do me nothing, I get up and cause people not do me nothing. I have one song, I go make the song, I say, I can't change the song now. I can't use Walk a Mile no more because Walk a Mile gone. I that me the earth over Walk a Mile too, you know, because I'm going to write that song, they say, I'll walk a mile that Jesus walked for me. I want to live my life. Next thing I know, I Walk a Mile album, I say, blood clot, my song Walk a Mile gone. This parts of Walk a Mile take away and gone now. I can't sing a song Walk a Mile. That's what the song name. I Walk a Mile song, I sing a song, I sing the song. Somebody thief the thing, Walk a Mile and use it. So now, if I do a song now when I write, how long? So I sing a song, I like sing certain songs on social media, you know. The song I sing, I Walk a Mile that Jesus walked for me. He gone. Walk a Mile gone, I fight. It's gone. So, never find something else to put in there, so he gone. I see, on social media, people do a lot of shit, and mine was before. I Walk a Mile before. You know what I mean? But I just say go. Just little things, you know what I mean? Just little fucking things I don't even talk about. I just love it. Just love little fucking things. Because I don't want to turn the big things, but I just see how some people is. You know what I mean? God bless you know. I love everybody. Big up themselves. And it's only love we are pray. Not yet we are pray. I love we are pray. So no matter. I walk a mile that Jesus walked for me. I want to live my life eternally. God, grace and mercy, yes, is everlasting. You know that song that me make, man? You sing that song that's so fucking bad. Wicked, me tell you, nice. Whenever they sing religious music, till they see I sing religious music, then fucking start that and then fucking them shit as soon as they say, I mean, you can't, but I never have nothing to say, I just make it go on. I just make them go on. But then go on, people, that's life. I got smart people understand me. I love everybody. But smart people know exactly what I talk about because they know exactly. Because they was there when we met the song. They was right on the spot. Why the idea like a one man, baby? Eh? Lenisa. There baby, there Lenisa, there baby. Ugly na ass, no boy, girl. Ugly more. Hello. My organ and my shit down when I eat no food from morning. Earl Reed, big up yourself, baby. Me for boy or girl. Big up Earl. I'm glad it's a girl good will love me, ain't so. I'm glad you take care of your eye. Real, yes, that's right. I love it too, buddy. I'm loving it. I have some real good here, man. Some real good people here. Yeah, hi, love. I love it too. Raffle, I mean, Raphael. I love it too, man. But tomorrow, yeah, much love, baby. All I own, I love you. Because we're a human being and life is not promising. Any we can drop out at any time. Life is so short nowadays, Goody. I don't know what's going on. You have to just prepare your mind and yourself. Say, boy, if something happen to you, you travel on the next side. Always prepare. There's nothing else to live for on earth more than eat food with your family, make good love with your husband or your boyfriend. Just make love. Just eat food. Just enjoy your life. Stay out of mix-ups. Try to stay away from alcohol, red meat, and the things that are going to make you sick. Because by going to the hospital, believe you me, I'm going to start running soon. They say don't run too much because your knee can get damaged. Because when I see it, some people, how fat them is, and the detrimental of the sickness in the hospital, it makes you want to be more, eat more healthier, and it makes you want to exercise more. So maybe you feel like you can't exercise, feel like you can't, you gotta find the strength to do it. I'm glad me go. Because this kind of give me more, because one time I exercise good and I follow back again. I have to stay on that path. Because without that path, you're going to fucking die. You're going to get so sick. The girl was telling me today, they want to put some, what's the stuff they put up in your ass and all kind of check for cancer and all kind of sitting. I said, no, nobody not put nothing on my bottom till them got the private doctor. I said, I not put nothing on my body. And I do all this kind of stuff. I said, nobody not kill me 4 times. I said, all this medicine, all this stuff, it kills you. I almost lost my son. You know, me take the antibiotic also. My eye, but that different. You know? So I tell the girl, now all this whoop stuff, and she say, yeah, but you're right, you know, because no medicine, she said, no medicine is the best way, because with each medicine you get, you can get a side effect. You know? Yeah. I mean, in Jamaica, you used to have your people who live, you know, fuck your pussy clean, you know, no germs, you know, nothing, no AIDS or nothing, you know, they, you know, do not know with it. You know what, they are ride it, I do not know, they know if you not catch you, and you don't see a none. Where you go back and dig out your hole so every minute for? I dig you like a crab living there. Them a pap smear, them a dig, check for cancer, then can't find it, go back again, them dig it, and them think they give you cancer. And them shit they give you cancer. My great-grandmother and great-man on them Jamaica, then they fuck all about in a bush. All hands in their ass. Hands each up in them fucking crutches hole, and nothing come out of here. All hands in them body hole. In a bush, then they fuck all dirt in them body hole. Not a thing wrong with them. Them breathe like a hog, and them spit out pitney all pan banana leaf. And they healthy more than me and you. All the medicine is in the herbs in the bush. And if you can get it that way, that's the best way to get it. Don't forget what I tell you. So when seeing that and the people them so fat and them a ball for pain tonight, I say, man, if you're so fat like that, you're a ball for pain. I mean, you're the one couldn't see yourself and see yourself eat so much of meat and look at yourself and say, no man, this I get out of hand. If me eat meat and too much, me try cut down a little. You wait till you get that big and you're not pain. You come on, if you try to help yourself, when you got them fucking place, man, you can die. I mean, you can go in there. Something gone wrong in your body, you do surgery, you're overweight, inflammation, all this stuff because you all the fat by your body. That's why I not have the big body like I'm used to no more, man. Kind of link you want to record, but guess what? I can't deal with that shit, man. This big old gut and this big old body, and you tumble to side, I come in to see the doctor and a ball. Come on. Y'all drinking old backlash soda. You know what sugar in that soda? A small one. You're drinking the big leader side backlash soda. When I got Popeyes. You know, I eat Popeyes and something. And I go and tell them, say, give me 2 chicken breasts. And give me the 4-piece what them have. And I come home and I eat the 2 chicken breasts. And the 4-piece was gone. So that was a 6-piece and a large fries. And I feel so bad, you know. I said to myself, I said to myself, I was real hungry, man. It tastes so good because I eat it for so long. A long time now, I not eat none. Kind of me stop eating them food. And my child, let me tell you, the devil's strong. I eat that, you know. It's sitting sweet me so much. You know, I go back to the next day and buy two 4-piece. That is 8. And then I still buy the toothbrush, so that's 10 piece. And honey, when I sit down and look around, I must say 1 little piece I left. And I draw myself and say, no. When I got my bed, was it 2-3 nights ago something? I bell Charlie fried chicken and I cut and sit and I say, Oliver, you know better than that. You make your skin get more flabby. You make your skin get flabby, you know. And I ain't sitting there, you know better enough for them. So now I can't eat no more. I can't eat no more of it. I completely turn off and don't really put it down. Because I continue every day like that. Can't imagine what I would look like in 3 months. The way I am. You wonder why my body was so big, man, whatever blood implant me used to have. All the axe steal them. Used to get mad at the line and cuss over the axe steal. Come on, man, put peace more, you can't do that. And all ain't sitting there. Sometimes I'll buy 2 plates of food and eat both of them at the same time. Plus my ice cream and my cake, my donuts. So I used to go at it. You know, but I have to cut down. When I start to eat, my son tell me, Mommy, look, when I get sick and this can happen to you, I start to think. I want to be in a fucking hospital, up and down, and, you know, I try to do a bit better. So when I try, I do some chicken then, I'm done with that. I having some sushi I'm supposed to eat yesterday. And somebody, I call it Sabrana, I don't know what the fuck it is. With crackers and ginger tea. You know, I eat a lot of mango and I feel good with that. Especially I eat a lot of mango, I love that. Because when you eat a lot of mango, make you go bathroom, make you do the lot, make your belly clean, flat down. Eat a lot of mango at night time. And night time is the best time I like to suck mango. I go hold on them and suck them like breasts. And I suck them, I squeeze them up and suck them to make myself feel good. Catch me now, nobody. I make hold on the mango them and then I squeeze them like a breast and sweet. And I suck them. I mean, I have nobody and it make me feel good. And I like me, I tell you, if you look up here, so you will see in the back, more mango, right? Some food, wrap up in this fine so that I have a short. I have food and forgot, oh God, I'll buy food yesterday, I never eat the food. But I food was fine so that I buy food, I never touch the food. I must be really fucking upset about my eye last night. Yes, me got my bed and me dinner time from last night. Still, I put a night garbage, I must think of a place, man. I never remember that. Dinner from me buy yesterday and the day before yesterday. From my eye burn, look. I put the phone on the garbage. Oh girl, I didn't remember it. Anyway, I'm gonna go cause go throw this thing out and go wash my nanny. Go wash my nanny hole, you know, and yeah, man, some fucking girl for all in the space, man. I want to see man there with man and there with man long time. He's a grind man and he's sweet, man. And he's put the poke on him man and he's sweet him. You know, you have a sweet hole. Him know where you have. So even when you get older, and you see man try get back in eye. If the man are there with you, and you claim you're all good, and claim you this and that, how the man there with you and still want to get in the same hole? The man begs till him tired. But you want to stand cocky guard. And if you go on like a nice. And imagine you talk all kind of shit about me on Facebook. Bitch, go all a corner and go sit down. Someone forgot all gonna pussy the pan redundant for go sit down. Eh? Big pussy girl, go on make them usher you out and mind your business. Eh? Big pussy girl, you fi usher them out. When them a come and a call you out. Big pussy girl, you fi usher them out. When them a sit down and a run them out. Call up any man with them talk about. Big pussy girl, you fi usher them out. Usher them out, me say usher them out. Toothbrush them brush, me na brush them out. Some of them attack you fi usher them out. Big pussy girl, you fi usher them out. Usher them out. Some a drink dragon and some a drink stout. Big pussy girl, we a go usher you out. You want to talk about me, girl, you suck Johnny in your throat. You want to talk, girl, you can't take no oath. Me, I tell you now, slimy like oats. Usher you out, usher you out. Big pussy girl, we a go usher you out. Left the tight pussy girl and shut your mouth. Take a big pussy and usher yourself out. Usher your motherfucker self out. Be yourself, too late. Fucking bright. And never we like when I see it. And then on Facebook, they want to go at them a star. They run go past Facebook and start talk about her. Your mommy just said she come here a while ago, you know. Your mommy said she come and buy this and she buy that. And I fucking chat. The time you run your blood clot mode on your phone, your man a wait for you to leave. So you can try get him tongue in my clitoris. So when you waste time and I chat and and this and that, someone about that what she dirty and just think, I just think my beard clean. Might have on old clothes, I'm gonna dress up and makeup and go out about it clean. Pussy clean. Nah, thing can't smell like no fish, cause me couldn't man for walk on with thing crutches. Me couldn't walk on the thing crutches when nothing not going in and soaking and fucking. When I go walk, wait I would think I go. But when the crutches good and realize that the man who have all along, it grind the good pussy, it burn on the heart. So the only thing can say she ugly and touch this thinking girl and talk all kind of shit. The girl has spend her money. And your man want the pussy like a dry piece, want water. So bitch, take a big pussy and usher yourself out. Good night a year later, my love you. Mwah. Usher them blood clot big pussy out of your life. They want to take your man and them pussy big. They want to carry your name, go talk about she borrowed this kind of the girl, the name the girl food, she this, she that, and I call up a blood clot name. Eh? The man still want your pussy because your pussy tight, so usher the big pussy girl out of your way. Hello, usher them blood clot out of your way.